Ghost and Soap prevented a disaster at the dam. They stopped Makarov. You need to do the same.
With Farah and Alex, we will.
You and Graves are on the same team, John. Don't forget that.
Oh, I don't forget anything.
Looking good, boys. We are a go for pre-check. We're a go for pre-check. Yeah. We ready to rumble?
This is a joint operation. ULF 141 and Shadow. Together as one.
Guys.
Together as one. You sure?
If we don't, we lose.
Ready for EPU start?
Clear.
Moving engine check. Check. Good start. Shadow is loaded.
Control, I've got.
Cleared for taxi, Shadow.
Roger that. Let's fly.
Shadow to Gold Eagle. Candle is lit.
Go get him, Shadow.
Gold Eagle Actual. Shadow 1 is on station.
Shadow 1, ground team is at Rally Point Boneyard. You'll provide air cover while they locate the chemicals and hunt down Makarov.
Copy, Actual.
Shadow 1.
Copies. Stand by. Gunner confirmed. Gunner
Ground team is holding an RP boneyard to the west. We're marked with I-Astros. Call visual.
That's you, Gunner.
At the two hangars. We move on your signal.
Marking threats in the boneyard.
Ground, hold position. We'll clear the area. Gunner, lay down cover fire. Take out those threats.
On the trigger.
Time to get to work, Shadows.
Firing.
Tony knows we're here. Get some. Direct.
Threats to the northeast, crew. Coney's maneuvering near the comms tower.
Gunner, get eyes on that tower now.
Got a SAM site near the tower.
Gunner, drop a missile on that SAM site. Coney is targeting us. Hit that SAM site missile.
Enemy SAM site.
Hit that SAM site now. Coney is targeting us. Hit that SAM site with a missile.
Good impact. Target destroyed.
Good stuff. Coney's moving into the boneyard.
Shadow 1, ground team is intact. Send fire!
Copy that. We're on it. Put rounds in the boneyard, Gunner.
Going hot. Enemies in the boneyard.
Thing of beauty.
Multiple Coney in the boneyard.
Good impact.
Ground team is pushing through the boneyard. Keep us covered.
Roger that. Shadow's watching over you. Correct him. Good shot. Good effect.
EKIA.
Contact! Shadow ships in contact. Call for fire now.
Shadow copies. We're on it. Hell yeah. Good attack.
Enemies in the boneyard.
Get some.
Got 25.
Ground team, you're clear to move.
Copy that. We're moving up.
Cover him, Shadow.
Copy, actual.
Enemies pushing in from the south. Marking.
3-1 in contact.
Shadow 1, we're taking effective fire. Start sending ground.
Copy, Kilo. We're working on it. Good impact.
Shadow 1, good hit. Keep them coming. Ground team is pushing up.
We got you, ground.
Shadow 1, Colony is launching a plane. West end of the tarmac.
Copy. Coney jet.
Marking target.
Hit that jet before it's airborne. Crew, let's get on it. He gets airborne, we got big problems.
Jet taking off. Enemy jet destroyed.
Air superiority, Shadows.
Enemies pushing across the tarmac.
Ground, multiple Coney on the tarmac. Get to cover. We'll clear your path.
Copy. Ground team is holding southwest.
Keep that ground team secure. Do not fire on the hangars. You can run, but you'll just die tired.
One down.
He's not going anywhere. Ground, you're clear to move.
Copy. Ground team is pushing to hangar 1.
Gunner, cover him into the target building. Do not fire on the hangars until the chemicals are located. We want to hand Makarov a win.
Ground teams reach Hangar 1. Move it internal.
Got threats coming out of those structures to south side of the base. Marking.
Gunner, do not let Coney get near that hangar.
I got him covered. Guns, guns, guns.
Shadow 1, first hangar is clear. Searching for the chemicals now.
Copy that. Direct.
We're taking RPG fire. RPG located. Tower, south of Hangar 1.
Shadow, neutralize those RPGs. Do not let Coney destroy the hangars.
Copy that. They're cooked.
Actual to ground team, give me a silver out.
Hangar 1 is a dry hole, actual. No chemicals.
Our intel is solid. Makarov's entire chemical stockpile is on that base. If they're not in that hangar, they'll be in the next one. Just be sure before you push on.
Copy. We'll keep searching the hangar. Shadow 1, keep us covered.
We're not going anywhere, Kilo.
All stations, negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 is a dry hole.
Ground team push to hangar 2. Shadow, keep them covered.
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy. Moving to hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars. Take them out.
On the trigger. Took out their mortar team.
Fucking Makarov. He destroy his whole base to keep those chemicals. They'll be in the next hangar. He might be too.
RPG fire coming from east of the hangar.
Boom, baby. Hit those RPGs.
We're taking RPG fire.
All stations, hangar 2 is clear. Be advised, we've located the chemicals.
Makarov?
Negative, he's not here.
It could be close. Ground, neutralize those chemicals. Shadow, maintain overwatch. Keep the ground team secure till the job's done.
Copy that, Gold Eagle.
All stations, be advised, intel's picking up Coney communications from off-base. They're scrambling armored vehicles and reinforcements. Expect heavy contact.
Copy that, actual.
Enemy tank, north side of the base.
Shadow 1, do not let that tank destroy those chemicals.
Gunner, you heard the general. Eliminate that tank. Drop a missile on that fucker.
That's where the radio tower is. What? hangar. Enemy helos taking off from the northwest here, incoming. I got him. Helos marked.
Gunner, knock those birds out of the sky. Clean them up, Shadows. Keep Coney out of the hangar. Keep him out of the hangar. In your damn base, Gunner. Good shooting.
Missiles incoming.
Enemy tank threatening to our north.
Shadow, don't let that tank hit the chemicals. Take it out. You know what to do, Gunner. Hit him with a missile. Quick, trigger. Right, enemy vehicles incoming.
Shadow 1, be advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near the boneyard. They're pushing in through the fuel depot to our north.
Enemy jet coming from the west end of the runway.
All stations, Coney's mounting up for re-attack. Let's bury him. Crew, let's get on it.
This is Coney's foothold in Urzikstan. Wipe it off the map.
He gets airborne, we got a big problem. Gunner, push Coney back, keep the ground team secure. That's right, motherfucker.
Jet number 2 is down.
All right. Good attack.
Guns ready. Missile incoming.
Keep the ground team covered.
Good impact.
Off the trigger.
Right, enemy signals in the boneyard. Gunner, get on it.
-1.
Good shot.
Incoming missile.
Correct.
I'm green.
That guy's done.
All stations, this is actual. SIGINT confirms Makarov is on the base. He's gonna make a play for the chemicals. Ground team, are you ready to exfil?
Negative. Chemicals are still active. We need more time.
Copy that. Keep them secure. Graves, maintain overwatch. You see Makarov. Stay down.
Check, Gold Eagle. Shadow 1's ready and waiting.
Enemy helo incoming from the northeast.
That's Makarov. Shadow, gun that son of a bitch down.
Copy that. He's not going anywhere. Time to finish this, Shadows.
Copy that. Guns ready.
Helo's trying to take out the hangar. We need close there.
Great. Shoot it down. Don't let him hit the chemicals.
Taking fire from the helo. Bouncing, taking fire in the hangar. Contact. Enemy helo.
Enemy helos coming down.
We got your ass! Hook, line, and fucking sinker. All stations, enemy bird is down. Vladimir Makarov is EKIA.
Copy that. Chemicals rendered safe. Pushing out of the hangar now.
Graves, once ground is clear, have your man drop a missile on that hangar. Bury Makarov and his fucking chemicals.
Copy that.
Shadow 1, ground team is clear. Level the hangar.
Gunner, send it.
Good effect. Hangar's down.
That's how we get her done, Shadows. Dos Vidania, Vladimir.
3 things you cannot outrun in this world, folks. Death, taxes, and me. Pleasure doing business with you boys and girls. Actual, I'm RTB. Out here.
Roger that, Shadow. That's some big league work out there. Blue skies, son.
Appreciate the assist, Shadow. 6 to all stations. That kill is not confirmed. I say again, that kill is not confirmed. We need to search the site for PID on Makarov.
Gold Eagle Actual to all stations. Your orders are to stand down. We got nothing but fire and brimstone out there, and that's all the confirmation we need. 6, go to 1.
Go for 6?
It's over, John. We nailed that bastard to hell and gone.
Yeah, that's what we said about your little shadow graves, yeah?
Makarov's dead, Captain. Don't let him live inside your head. Eagle out.
Shepard only sees what he wants.
His name on a win, another medal on his chest. What do you see?
It's what I don't see that worries me.
If he is alive, he'll let us know.
Where and when?